Hello friends, welcome to this video. First of all, I want to wish you all a happy new year. Let this year be a successful year for you and let you find success in whatever you're doing. Happy and prosperous new year. First of all, I want to thank you all for whoever wishing me an happy new year and also for supporting my channel, making to grow my channel. Okay. Thanks for the 2017. Everything went good. Thank you guys for supporting me in everything and hope in this year also you guys will support me and even I will educate you in a very good way by my strategies or any other thing or any other trading education what I can give it to you. I'll do my best. Okay, so thank you guys so much for that. So by being said that, you can visit my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. so here is the information about all my additional services. I do provide MCX and NSE trading course. Okay, there is an offer going on, guys. If you're taking both the MCX and NSE trading course, you will be getting a discount in the price, and if you're taking a course, you will get 1 month free tips. Okay, so if you want to join, you can just message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me and learn from me, and you can make this year a consistent profitable making year. Okay, so here is all the earning proof by my clients. You can just visit this and you can check all the earning proof here. Also, 4 of my clients who has taken my course has won the Zarata 60 days challenge, so all the certificate has been put up here, and also you can see the ledger proof. Okay, so everything is here. So if you wish to earn consistently like this in the market, and if you want to learn how to make money consistently, so I will definitely help you, and the prices for my courses are very reasonable. Okay, and also you'll be getting a discount, as I said, if you're taking both MCX and NSE course. Okay, so you can check all of the things here. Okay, so this is all the earning proof with the ledger of my different clients, and also you can see feedback from my clients after taking the course. Okay, so you can check all of the things here. If you feel like you want to be in this part of a family who is earning consistent profit, you can definitely join us. You have to leave a message on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and I will guide you everything. Okay, so these are all the feedback, guys. You can check all of these things here, and also you can go inside my channel and see how consistently we are earning. So every day update like how much profit we made today, so everything has been updated in my channel, so you can go here and check all of these things. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Once again, happy new year, have a nice day. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.